Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Joe. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you and God bless you people for me. My people, let me touchlight my Hookup. And our Hookup is still there, my people. So if you need the responsible man and the responsible woman, just try and contact Lady J. I'm still here for you people. So my people, our Hookup is still there. We still do one steady. We still do one. So if you need a man, just contact me. We still did Germany, yeah. So if you need a man for Germany, contact me. If you need a woman to contact me. So if you need a woman, maybe say you know you need maybe you with your woman don't date a girl, the woman don't see die, so you just did like that, and you get children, you know one born again. So we get woman for you. Maybe say no one still born again too. You want just see day like that. So if you need that kind one, so contact me. I go still hook you up with that one, you understand? Because loneliness is not easy, my people, Loneliness is not really easy. So if you need a responsible man, my people, some people there, loneliness won't finish them. Loneliness, you won't finish them. They are dying slowly. You understand? So no shame, just bring yourself out, you know. Not they look this Hookup anyhow. Hookup don't save many people. You understand? It does save many people. So if you need a responsible man and the responsible woman, just contact Lady J. I'm still here for you people. I will hook you up with your right choice, with a nice person where you go deal with like this. You go there jolly, you go there happy, but they go they cash you every day. You go there with some, you go there happy. We don't need pretend people for you. We don't need them. Anybody where they pretend, we don't need them for my Hookup here. We need a responsible guy. And please, my dear, if you are coming to my Hookup, don't hide your age. Really. Don't hide your age. Just be real. Just talk your real age, you know. And someday, they go to lie for their age. Someday, they will go home and say they don't get. We don't need them here. Please, you can go to another platform. You see the Lady J platform here? We are doing a serious thing. We are real here. We don't fake things. We don't do anything fake. We are real. And we are doing our things real. And just be real if you are coming here. Please. I want to speak grammar. So, my people, just be real, joke and pass. I'm serious. Please. If you know say you dey come Lady J Hookup, just be real to yourself. Don't fake things. We don't need anybody fake here. We don't need any fake things. You understand? So if you dare Spain, you need a man for there. We get men for there too. So you can still contact me. We'll see hook you with a nice person for there too. Then if you dare Germany, you need a man for year two. We get men for year two. Yafu now, my people, come grab them. You will be girl where they look me. No shame. Who shame, Eb? Forget shame me. Don't worry, your secret is safe with me. I'm not bringing your picture out. I'm not bringing anything out. Just come. I go hook you up with a nice guy. You go there with her like this. You go there happy. You go there jolly. You know. And if you be man, where they look me, no shame. Come, I go hook you up with a nice guy. You understand? With a nice woman. Sorry, my dear. With a nice woman. I go hook you up with. You go there with some. You go there see her for bed. You go there happy. You go there jolly. You know? Then, if you're there Italy, you need a man for there too. We get. So just come, I will hook you up with a man for there. You understand? And we don't do fake things here. Like, I beg, if not they come, just be real, please. Just be real. I don't want to do this video long. So anybody wasting this video, help me share them. Share them to your friends. Share them to people. Don't be stingy with it. Share it, share it, share it. So that everybody go see my people. So If you need a responsible man, a responsible woman, just contact me. Contact Lady J. We are here. And if you date Swiss too, you need a man for them. We get men for them. Yafu. So if you need anybody for them, let me know. And if you need for Germany, let me know. Just contact me. I will put my number there. Just add me on WhatsApp. Then just contact me. I will hook you up with a nice person and your choice of man, the kind man you want, I go hook you up with. So thank you everybody and take care until I come your way next time. I remain Lady J, and don't forget to put thumbs up for me, please. Always like my video. It's not easy. Please put thumbs up for me and leave your comment. Thank you everybody. Until I come your way next time, I remain Lady J. Bye everybody. Bye.